So let me get you back to the long and winding road.
Many companies and universities have tech transfer programs and partnerships dedicated to identifying research that has potential commercial interest. This has been especially prominent in the photonics industry, and fortunately, optics and photonics trade shows like CLIO are featuring more and more special sessions and programs focused on technology transfer.
It's a tool in order to have, for the university to provide the real human resource that you need to change the world. And the partnership and technology transfer naturally occurs with this intermediation of exactly the same human resources that were at the university and doing business outside.
This year's technology transfer program gave attendees an opportunity to learn more about the licensing process to include funding, entrepreneurship, technology transfer, and intellectual property. And they got to hear it from companies, organizations, and universities that are actually successfully using it.
I looked at all these data transfer systems at photonics and at electronics and at printed circuit boards. And I had the idea, once this thing grows, like internet grows and so on, we will basically probably hit a wall. So there will be no technology to really fulfill all the needs which are necessary. And that, at that time, a partner of mine, which was from the Laser Center, contacted me and said, hey, why don't we do just something together? And that is what we did. We started inventing. And here is the very important point. Technology push is usually the way not creating money. The market pull was not there, so we invented things and we tried to set up the innovation.
Building a system by NASA is very expensive. And so we encourage companies to build their own systems so we can purchase their system in the future. And last February of this year, a BridgeSat company signed a Space Act agreement with us in a way that our scientists and engineers are working very hard with them to build their own design, their system. So we don't want only one company to have such system, we want more companies.
Technology transfer has its rewards, but it's not for everyone.
When people think about startup, it's like kind of this, yeah, this is all cool stuff, but this all cool comes with lots of work, with lots of tasks, so it's not like the cozy environment where the money just comes, right? This is really tough work because nobody knows you, and you just pop out of the blue, and you have probably a new technology, you have to bring that to market, you have to interest the people in, so that is a lot of work. So good contracts, good IP, good team.
The right combination of product and startup talent can make all the difference and successfully and profitably bring a new product to market. Reporting for Photonics Media and Light Matters, I'm Autum Pylant.